miles, then turn right.
Yes, I'm going to turn left. It's always done that. It's always sent me that way.
Turn right, then turn left.
It's trying to get me up onto the main road.
Really full figuring.
So tell me to go right here now.
Turn right, then turn left. Recalculating. Drive 200 feet, then turn right, then turn right.
I didn't think we went that way.
610. Which way do you want me to go?
I didn't know we had to go that way.
Well, which way do you want me to?
To get to the 610, I didn't think he went that way.
Well, which way do you think I should go?
I don't know.
Well, look, you've been going
Right.
the same as me all these years. You're fucking hopeless. You're not much help at all.
Recalculating. Drive 2.1 miles, then keep left.
The bugger all.
We've not been there for years.
It doesn't matter. It's the number of times we've been in the past. I haven't been there for years. But I'm supposed to remember. But that's different, isn't it? Yes. Oh,
Just a
brilliant!
minute. Stop then.
Yeah, I should think so. Wally,
I know. Didn't even look.
it's like when I go, I can hear a siren.
Fire engine going that way. Oh. Oh, you see that white van?
Yes, it's not a problem.
Drive 1.2 miles, then enter roundabout.
What's that saying?
Left onto Hena Road.
What?
It said left onto Hena Road. Are you on just
Really?
606 Hena? We've got
Yes.
straight on.
No. This is wrong. Right, this is wrong.
Eastwood Hena.
Which way?
It's telling you to go left onto Hena Road.
Right, I'll do what it says. This is where we used to go to my mum's.
Yes. Langdon Mill, Hena. Where's Ripley gone?
Pretty sure it's not there.
Recalculating. Drive 0.2 miles, then turn right,
See?
then enter roundabout.
Well, it didn't say that. So we've gone wrong.
Yeah.
Well, it didn't say that before.
So I've got to go right here.
Right to Derby Road, yes. Where's the road?
Over there.
It's not a road, it's an industrial estate.
Now where?
No!
Mind the curb. I
Turn
can't fucking
right,
see
then
because of the
enter
sun.
roundabout.
Now I've gone wrong.
It says turn right. This is a blooming industrial estate.
Yeah, well, if you can do any better,
When possible, make a U-turn, then turn right.
if you can do any better, you drive. You're always the same.
But the mister didn't tell you, lady didn't tell
Well,
us to
you're
go.
in charge of that. I know it's not right. I don't know where to go now. Oh, for fuck's sake.
You've got to go left, I think.
Bloody hell.
This is left onto Hena Road.
I don't know where I've got to
Turn
go.
left, then
This
enter
way.
roundabout. Then enter roundabout, then take first
Come on.
exit.
Then Ripley. Got to go into this lane
Down here.
on first exit. You're in the middle of the road.
Not in the middle of the road.
Where are we?
Which way?
Straight on.
Drive 3.2 miles, then turn left. Recalculating. Drive
God.
0.2 miles, then take fourth exit.
We've gone wrong again.
Oh, I give up. I give up.
What they let
Recalculating. Turn left.
I
then
can't turn fucking left. There's a car up my arse. I can't.
Recalculating. Drive 500 feet, then enter roundabout.
That's it.
Recalculating.
Fucking hell.
Drive
I'll give
0.1 miles, then turn left.
I can't drive and look at that at the same time.
I said left on the road, so go down here.
This is just an ordinary bloody street.
Go to the top.
Drive
Turn
0.2
left.
miles, then turn right.
Well, why is the car going left? Keep going round. No, you can't go there. It's a lady's house. Can't go that way. Down there.
Didn't it just say go right?
The picture of the car is there.
Oh, look, I can't see that.
Now go left.
Yeah, well, I've got no choice.
Right.
Now you're saying right. What am I supposed to do?
Keep on, then turn left here.
It's like a U-turn, this is.
Yeah.
So I'm back where I started from.
See.
Oh, look at this for fucking parking.
Turn right.
You've got to go right now.
Really?
That's what I was saying.
Right, I'm saying, I said really, that's all I said.
This is Derby Road.
Drive 0.2 miles, then enter roundabout.
Take the third exit. I look for the sign.
What's the sign going to tell me?
For Ripley.
Oh,
Ripley. So it's not the motorway, not the Hino.
Enter
it's that
roundabout,
one.
then take third exit. Drive 0.1 miles,
We haven't
then
got on
take
here yet,
third
Mrs.
exit.
No, not that one. The next one.
this one. No?
No.
Oh, fucking hell!
Yes.
I don't think this is right.
No, this is where the car
And I
is.
can't see because there's so... Oh, there's something coming, it's going to have to stop. I don't know where I am. I haven't a clue. What's it telling me?
Straight on at the moment.
Drive 3 miles, then turn left.
Oh, that's right then.
Cross lane, that's right.
In 0.2 miles, turn right.
Yes, I was right.
Up here, I don't
Turn
think so.
right.
I don't think so.
Oh, well, this is what it said.
Well, we don't go this way. You keep on until the top.
Recalculating.
Oh, all
Drive
right.
0.9
It told me to turn
miles.
right.
Yes, but
Turn right.
obviously you've got to go a bit
Didn't
further
it?
up.
Well, you've got the map.
Yes, I know, and I thought you was carrying straight on.
Fuck me. If it's going to tell me to turn right, I'm going to take the next right. Aren't I? Jesus. I give up. I do, I give up.
I go straight on. You said about a church.
I know I did.
So why did you go down here?
Because it told me to turn bloody whatever road. I did what it told me to do. I can't follow that and drive.
Just turn right.
I cannot do it. You need a navigator that can read a map. You've got the map in front of you.
Yes.
Drive 0.8 miles, then turn right.
Where am I going now?
Recalculating.
That way.
Turn right.
Now, wait a
then
minute.
Turn right.
You just told me to go that way.
Ripley's that way.
I'm not going to fucking Ripley.
We are.
We're not.
Turn right.
Not at the moment.
You just told me to go the other way. I've got to go down here, haven't I?
God, no. Yes, down here.
I know. Why did you tell me to go the other way?
Because this is where the lady said on the map.
You've got a map. You've got a
Drive
road to follow.
1
It's got a
miles,
picture.
Turn right.